Hi guys, welcome to Techavro. In this video, I'm gonna be showing you how to remove Facebook page sections. So in this case, open to your Facebook page. Make sure you are logged into your Facebook page, not your regular Facebook account. How you can check this? You have to check on this three profile icon on top or account. Then you'll find here your Facebook name and your Facebook page name. You have to click on the Facebook page name. Then it will switch to your Facebook to your Facebook page. Then you have to click on Facebook page name, which is top left corner. Click on this. Now you'll find here more option. Click on more. Then you can see the sections, live, groups, events, and many more things. You have to click on manage sections. Click on manage sections, and then you can see music, check-ins, sports, and all sections is here. If you want to delete some section, you like music, you have to uncheck this, and like movies, you have to uncheck this. Okay, then books, you have to uncheck this. If you click on save, now if you check this, that more option, you'll find that three section has been removed. Okay, if you want to add any sections like this, you have to click on this, check this again. If you uncheck, it will be removed. If you check, it will be add. Okay, now click on save. Now if you see this one, you can see all of the sections has been added again. So this is how you can add and remove sections in Facebook page. If you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.